to the channel.
Sir Richard Branson, Virgin Galactic founder and owner, recently announced that he would be launching into space aboard Virgin Galactic's carrier aircraft VMS Eve and the VSS Unity, scheduled for launch on July 11th, 2021. The crew will experience between 5 and 8 minutes of weightlessness during the apex of this suborbital flight. This is the 4th crew mission for the VSS Unity, but the first launch with a full crew. Is this just bad timing for Jeff Bezos, founder and owner of Blue Origin and founder and former CEO of Amazon? Because Bezos is expected to launch into space on July 20th, 2021, aboard his Shepard crew capsule atop a Blue Origin rocket. Did Branson have his mission planned for this timing, or is he rushing this mission to get first billionaire in space bragging rights? Bezos will be using a conventional rocket to get him into space. The crew will experience 3 minutes of weightlessness during the apex of this suborbital flight, just above the Kármán zone. But let's not forget about the elephant in the room. Elon Musk, founder and owner of both SpaceX and Tesla, among other things, has not announced going into space, but he is the only billionaire who has successfully sent cargo to the International Space Station and has twice successfully sent astronauts aboard his Dragon crew capsule to the ISS and safely back to Earth. While the ISS might be the largest space station currently in Earth orbit, it's not the only one. On July 4th, 2021, Chinese astronauts aboard China's Tiangong space station performed a tandem spacewalk for the world to see. The astronauts will remain aboard for a 3-month mission, which is the longest Chinese mission to date. Before we wrap up this report, there is another billionaire who most people don't talk about. Robert Bigelow, founder and owner of Bigelow Aerospace, who is nowhere new to the space race. On July 12th, 2006, he successfully launched his own Genesis 1 space station, and on June 28, 2007, successfully launched his space station Genesis 2. The communications on both space stations were expected to only be operational for 6 months. However, both remained operational for over 2 years, and both space stations are currently in Earth orbit, but gravity is slowly pulling them to Earth, where someday they'll both burn up in the Earth's atmosphere upon entry. Bigelow also has a Bigelow Expandable Activity Module, or BEAM module, which is currently attached to the ISS, with other modules planned to follow. Another interesting fact is that a division of Bigelow Aerospace won the contract for ATIP. You know, the program responsible for the U.S. Navy UAP videos that were leaked to the New York Times. Bigelow was also once owner to the infamous Skinwalker Ranch, where he investigated UFO activity and paranormal phenomenon. Robert Bigelow was once also affiliated with MUFON, the Mutual UFO Network, where he had access to all their UFO files and active investigations. One last fact about Mr. Bigelow. At one time, when you reported a UFO to the FAA, you were given the contact information for Bigelow Aerospace to make your report. That's all for today.